What's your level of English? Let's find out together. Listen to a short story, Speed Friends by Oxford Reading University. The story will get harder and harder as we read it. When you find it hard to understand the text, it means that your level of English is the previous one. Let's go. Tell us in the comments what your level is.
Level A1. This is a story about racing. It is exciting. Two young people are the stars. Their names are Mia and Jake. They are friends. They love speed. They live in a small town. Today, they want to race. The race is on a big road. It is Saturday morning. The sun is bright. Mia is 18 years old. Jake is 19 years old. They have cars. Mia's car is red. Jake's car is blue. They smile at each other. "Let's race," says Mia. "Yes, let's go," says Jake. They start their engines. The sound is loud. People watch them. The race begins. Level A2. Mia drives fast. Jake follows her. The road is long. Trees are on the sides. The wind blows hard. Mia turns the wheel. Her car goes left. Jake stays close. "You are slow," shouts Mia. "No, I am fast," yells Jake. They laugh. The cars move quick. Dust flies up. The crowd cheers. Mia sees a corner. She slows down a bit. Jake passes her. "Ha! I win," he says. Mia pushes the gas. Her car speeds up. She passes Jake again. The race is fun. The road feels alive. They drive under a blue sky, level B1. As the race intensifies, Mia's strategy sharpens. She navigates the winding path with precision, her red car hugging the curves as if it's part of the asphalt. Jake, determined, adjusts his approach, accelerating through straights to close the gap. The crowd's cheers grow louder, a rhythmic pulse against the roar of engines. "Keep up, Jake," Mia calls, her voice cutting through the wind. "Not a chance, I'm catching you," he retorts, his blue car gleaming under the midday sun. Sweat beads on their foreheads. The stakes feel higher now. The road dips, then rises, revealing a sharp turn ahead. Mia brakes smoothly, her tires screeching slightly, while Jake overshoots, skidding briefly before regaining control. The tension builds as they near the finish line, painted white on the horizon.
Would you like to improve your level of English? Download the EWA app and take our English courses and listen to the audiobooks for all levels. Study every day, have fun, and speak English with the confidence of a native speaker. Check out appewa.com right now.
Level B2. With the finish line looming, Mia and Jake push their skills to the limit. Her red car weaves through traffic with calculated grace, a testament to hours of practice on these rural roads. Jake, leveraging his raw power, overtakes a slower vehicle, his blue machine roaring with defiance. You're good, but I'm better," Mia shouts, her confidence surging. "We'll see about that," Jake replies, his eyes fixed on her taillights. The landscape blurs. Fields of golden wheat, distant hills, yet their focus remains razor sharp. The crowd's anticipation crescendos, some betting on Mia's finesse, others on Jake's boldness. A sudden obstacle, a fallen branch, forces Mia to swerve, her heart racing, but she recovers with a deft maneuver. Jake narrows the gap, his determination palpable, level C1. As they approach the climax, the race transcends mere competition, becoming a symphony of strategy and instinct. Mia, with her acute spatial awareness, anticipates the final straight, adjusting her speed to conserve momentum. Jake, fueled by adrenaline, executes a daring overtake, his car's engine whining under the strain. "This is it, Mia. Time to shine," he exclaims, his voice a mix of challenge and camaraderie. "Bring it on," she counters, her tone resolute yet playful. The road stretches taut, flanked by spectators holding their breath, the air thick with the scent of gasoline and excitement. Mia's tires grip the surface with precision, while Jake's bold move risks a spin. Yet he stabilizes, their rivalry a dance of skill. The finish line nears, each second a battle of wills. Level C2. In the denouement, the race concludes with breathtaking intensity. Mia, leveraging her earlier foresight, edges ahead by a hair's breadth, her red car crossing the line as the crowd erupts. Jake, mere inches behind, slams his steering wheel in mock frustration, then grins broadly. "You got me this time," he concedes, pulling over. Mia steps out, her cheeks flushed, adrenaline still coursing. "Only just. Next time, it's yours," she retorts, their laughter mingling with the fading engine hum. The landscape, now bathed in the golden hues of late afternoon, frames their triumph and defeat. Spectators swarm, offering praise, while the two young racers share a handshake, their bond deepened by the contest. This race, a microcosm of their youth, lingers as a testament to skill, rivalry, and unspoken respect, etched into the town's lore.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free audiobooks like this. And now, take another English level test.